Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable administrator user on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable administrator user on Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu, click on Computer Management. Here expand local users and groups. Click on users. This on the administrator user. Right click on administrator and click on properties. By default, the administrator account is disabled. Just click here to uncheck and click to apply and click OK. Now administrator account is enabled right now. Now I'm going to check, close computer management, click on start menu, click on current user profile here and look, the administrator account is showing here right now. Now you can switch to administrator account. Now you can easily sign into administrator account to your Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.